I'm doing something different today. I'm checking out my scrap pile and I am making a little tiny footrest and a shoe rack. Well, my mother-in-law has this little tiny shoe rack thing. It's made of plastic, and well, I got a lot of these things laying around, so I'm gonna cut a whole bunch. I'm basically making it 24 inches tall. I don't know, this is the end drawing here. If you look at my crappy drawing, this is what the end looks like. It's 24 inches high, 10 inches wide. There's 3 little shelves with bars on it for a shoe rack. The top's going to be a piece of wood, and this end part will attach to another piece, which will be 2 feet. There'll be 3 of these, so it'll be one of these, some bars, another one of those welded to that, some bars, and so it'll be about 4 feet long, 24 inches high with a wooden top. I need to cut 24 6-inch pieces. I need to cut 6 of these. Wait, is it 6? Yeah, 6 24-inch pieces and 24-inch 9-inch pieces. I have enough to probably cut 100 of these things. So I'm gonna chop it up, and first I'm making sure I'm gonna do some measurements. I'm gonna cut most of them, and then I'll tack the rest later. One of the things I would like to do is, I don't know if you could see this again, is put a little bend on top so it's nice and round. I don't want the thing sticking out on the top for the kids to get hurt. So anyway, I'll make another little video and I'll tack them all together for you to see. Yeah, my messy bench, I'm just scribing lines in here. Scribing the cut marks in here so I can know where to cut it. I bought this thing on Amazon. I was going to buy a gigantic one, but you know what? I'm buying a fancy, super duper, like machinist version, but you know what? I like my cheap $4 machinist square. I guess if it's made in China, it's not really a machinist square, it's just a Chinesium square. Yeah, it's still good though. Could buy a $40 one, but these ones are pretty cool. Look, it's like $4 for a little tiny one. So that's measuring that. Alright, let me put this on pause. Yep, just measuring 9 inches on here. So 9 inches on that one. 9 inches on that one. Uh-oh. That one came out. 9 inches on this one. What else? 9 inches on this one. These ones look like they're almost 9 inches already. Not quite. Still need a little lopping off there. And another one right here. Hoping I can get all these pieces cut this evening, and maybe next few nights on the garage I'll take the time and weld them all together. Weld night. There's that one. And there's this one. The only thing I hate about doing this is if there's one other scratch on here that you don't know about, or I scribed it in somewhere else or nicked it, you end up nicking the wrong part and cutting it the wrong length. So, oh well. It is what it is. There's that one. I was gonna use my chop saw, but it's late at night. It's like 8:30, 9 o'clock, and the neighbors are not going to appreciate it. So I'm going to lock all the doors, and I'm going to use my angle grinder. I know I have the luxury of using a chop saw, but if I open the garage door, it's going to be a nightmare for noise. So here we go. Hello, YouTube. What I did is I cut some of these. This is for the one end. This for one end. This is the middle. And this is the end part. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this right here, and I'm going to weld. Hold on, more space here. I'll show you. I'm going to weld this one. Get over there, junk. We'll weld one here. And we'll weld one over here. And one right about over here. I'm going to be making 4 like that, or 3 like that, and then I'm going to put rods here. One rod here, one rod here, one rod here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, so that they connect. And then I'll probably add a, what do you call it, a couple of sidebars just to hold it steady. But that's pretty much what it's going to look like. So it's all good, right?